Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the sun from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large circle. Next, let's move inside and add the eyes. On the top, let's draw an oval. And then another one angling down on the right side. Now inside each eye at the bottom, let's draw another oval. Now let's add 4 small lines on top of each eye for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a large curve down and then curve it back up on the right. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and draw the sun rays. Let's start on top and let's draw a curved line over to the right. Now let's continue drawing curved lines all the way around. And that's it for the sun. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!